Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Girl, look at that booty. And all the rest can kiss my little ass. Can I get the bacon and cheese WhataBurger, please?
Lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, mustard?
Yes, ma'am. Bacon meets Big Mac.
Do you want that with the meal or just a burger? Quarter pound of cheese with bacon?
With bacon, yes, ma'am. Damn, guys, I feel like I'm gonna need to hit a gym, maybe 2 gyms, to lose all this burger and fries weight. Maybe no more drinking for the week, just to lose the weight. Today we are not drinking. Today what we have for you guys is bacon cheeseburger and fries from all these 5 restaurants. The first one we have is WhataBurger. Second one, McDonald's. Third one, Five Guys. Fourth, Wendy's. Fifth
is
Sonic.
Yeah.
So I feel like Sonic will be the underdog, because I feel like Sonic is dying. There's so much competition now. People would rather go to Wendy's, fresh made patties, McDonald's. I haven't heard anything about Sonic. I think the winner is the most expensive burger, which is Five Guys.
I say it better win because
it better
we spend
win.
more money.
Ooh, which fries do you think is gonna be the best? I feel like it's gonna be Five Guys for me. So we're gonna start with WhataBurger. That's the first place we went to. Everything is with bacon and cheese. Same condiments inside, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, ketchup and mayo, and pickles.
So it looks like this.
Ooh, got that hanging out. Go and take a bite, cause I'm hungry right now. That look like those cooked bacons that come microwave ready. WhataBurgers, I hope it's good. Okay. That's delicious. The buns is good and buttered. You can taste the butter.
I don't really like the mayo in there.
I love it.
Not the mayo, the mustard. The mustard is pretty weird. Like it's too overpowering.
Wow. I love it. I can taste the meat and that lettuce, the juice of the tomatoes, everything just kind of put together.
So I'm gonna go ahead and...
Alright, WhataBurger fries. They're kind of cool. It's the first stop we went to. Nah.
Not salty.
But I'm still eating it. Next burger.
Alright, so this is pretty good. I mean, for the second one, the bun is not squeezed down.
I love the buns on this. So far,
and the sesame
buns.
seed bun, everything looks beautiful.
This is a quarter pounder with cheese with bacon. No, damn, there's no lettuce or anything in there, so plain basic. So this is gonna be very good.
They got pickles.
There's no distraction. Let's taste the meat, taste the bacon. Once again, guys, I think it still look like those microwave bacon. It looks good. I mean, I have no beef against it, but
the bacon in this one is so crunchy.
Wow.
I love.
WhataBurger is a little bit messy because it has all that toppings on, but this burger is, I love the sesame seeds. And oh, let's go for the fries.
Where's my, can I get my container?
Better than WhataBurger fries.
You can, it's salted and
Even
crunchy.
though they look the same, look how pale the WhataBurger fries is though. They have similar shapes, but the looks of it,
salted and crunchy.
the golden arcs is a lot better. Let's see that ranch. That ranch is good. Man, this burger is so good, guys. I want to take another bite. That sesame seed buns. I'll get back to you, WhataBurger. Oh, rummy.
And then the fries is still pretty decent. Pretty creamy. And the bacon is so crispy, like, I love it.
Next, we have the Five Guys. Oh.
Shout out to Five Guys. The lady was so kind to ask us if we want to split. Look at that. Ooh.
That's like a bagel sandwich.
Look at this.
I'm gonna eat the fries, guys. Yep. This is delicious.
Or you get your half first. Woo.
Five Guys burger. Everything is together. Everything is nice. All cuddled up in there. But we're about to break the cuddle. Wow.
There's so much mayo. Oh my god, I don't even know.
Yeah, they put a shit ton of mayo in here, but it's so good. Just like with McDonald's, sesame seed buns is the way to go for the burger, guys.
The bun is not as crispy and it's pretty soggy though. Like my donut bun is pretty firm. I don't know why, but it's pretty soggy, but it's still good, but it's soggy.
So this one got steamed up a little bit. Now we're gonna go for the fries. The best. Undisputed
There's no season?
champion. That's good.
They don't have season or anything in them, so
When
it's
you
not my
bite it-
favorite right now.
When you bite it, it tastes like fries, like potatoes.
No, when you
The
bite
other
it,
is
you
like
can
too
taste.
skinny.
You can definitely taste the potato, but it's not like my favorite so far.
Agree to disagree.
So our next one will be Wendy's. Oh, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
It's the Baconator, guys. Oh man. I would say this would be up there of my favorite burgers. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Girl, look at that booty. That thing works out.
Alright.
Wow, look at this. A Baconator. So this is only double patty that we got because...
The bacon on Five Guys is pretty good. I forgot.
Alright. First bite.
It looks like the picture.
This one, you can really taste the meat. Maybe it's
And the
because it's
cheese.
double.
Oh my god.
The bacon, the cheese.
The cheese is so good.
There's really no onions, tomatoes, anything that kind of take your flavor away from the meat and the cheese. So if you take a lot of bites of this, it might be too much of the same taste, you know? Because I feel like you need tomatoes in burgers just to cleanse the palate.
The picture is fucking awesome.
Ooh.
Right, Tess?
Guys, this is what I was saying about Wendy's fries. Look, it looks like they cut it up. Like you can see the skin. Same thing with Five Guys, right? But comparing to McDonald's and WhataBurger, those things look so skinny. It doesn't even taste like potatoes to me.
I don't know, but my fry
Whoa.
is green.
That's weird.
It's oily when you bite it.
Guys, so far Wendy's fries better than McDonald's. Hands down. I'm putting 2 hands, 2 feet down on this. But is it better than Five Guys? You'll find out.
Wow.
So much fries with so little time.
Oh. This definitely they grilled that up.
That's not microwave bacon, guys. Alright, guys. Last one. Mr. Sonic.
No shade, but I've been pretty excited about that the whole day.
Sonic? I feel like this is gonna be the underdog, like I said. I haven't had it. When was the last time you had?
Sonic?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
We don't ever go there.
Ooh.
But it looks clean. I like that the lettuce is shredded nicely. It looks good, guys. It looks basic, but good.
Did he add the bacon? Oh man, we asked for bacon and then did he add it?
Taste wise, it's just your normal everyday burger. Like it tastes okay. It just tastes like a basic burger, guys. There's no wow factor. There's no like, ooh, that's delicious. It's just a burger.
It's that.
I'm gonna go back to Five Guys. Well, what is this? No,
That's
this is
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not so basic burger right here. Wow, I'm getting really full.
Can I get a Sonic French fry? Oh, they're pretty crispy though, right? And salty.
Sonic fries. Wow.
What is that?
Surprisingly crunchy, but no flavor.
This is good.
Alright.
Can I get Sonic French fries? The whole thing.
Get me these fries, guys. Five Guys and Wendy's. Get me those. WhataBurger, trash. McDonald's, trash. I'm sorry, but I used to love McDonald's fries until the restaurant actually started doing fresh cut fries. Like for example, Five Guys. Wendy's, actually really good fries too. Sonic, I'm gonna throw them with the boat. You know, on your desktop, there's that trash can.
No.
Icon.
I have to disagree.
You take those three and put it in the trash. Boop. Look at this piece right here. This is what I'm talking about. Can't get that from McDonald's. You get that skin piece right there. Oh, that's crunchy.
I got it from Sonic.
Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, there's no right or wrong answer. It's more like agree to disagree. So any kind of food tasting videos, you know, people have different palates, they like different things. She didn't like mustard. I don't mind it. Just say your ranking. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5.
McDonald's. 2, Five Guys. 3, Wendy's. 4, Wendy's. 5, Wendy's. I didn't like this too.
So for me, 5th place is the Sonic Burger. Basic. 4th place, it was good, but it's big. Yeah, so I would have to, I would have to say WhataBurger. It's big, it's the meat is good, everything is good, but it's not as grabbable.
For me, it's not that.
Look,
everything was soggy, too much mayo, everything was just...
It's like a mess on the plate, basically. But bacon, everything is good. Tomato, onions, good. So 4th place, I have to put WhataBurger.
Alright.
3rd place, I'm gonna go with Wendy's. 2nd place, I'm going with... Now, this is tough because you're paying more for Five Guys.
But they put so much mayo.
They fucked it up. They fucked it up. So Five Guys have to go 2nd. McDonald's is 1st. That quarter pounder with bacon. Oh.
And it was the 2nd one that we got, and the bun is still perfect.
I mean, a lot of people are gonna hate on it because there's a lot of WhataBurger fans out there, but it's just a mess. WhataBurger, you're moving up. I take that back. You're moving up. 1, McDonald's / Five Guys.
No. Which one is the one?
Number 1? Oh, I think WhataBurger might be 1 for me right now.
2 McDonald's, 3. Wendy's, 4.
Here's my list. Number 1, WhataBurger. Right? Look, not attractive. How big it is? It looks like you're getting value for what you pay for. But the flavor of the tomatoes, the onions, everything was just so perfect. All the flavor complement each other. Everything just went good together, guys. So that's gonna be on my number 1 list. Number 2, I'm moving that quarter pounder with bacon down. But I need that refreshment from the juice of the tomatoes, the lettuce, the crisp. 3rd one, Wendy's.
But that one didn't have veggie either.
I understand, but I'm going with Wendy's for 3rd. 4th one, I'm going with Five Guys. They fucked it up. They put way too much mayo on there. They messed that up. But they still better than Sonic. What's your favorite French fries?
For today, I always go for Five Guys fries, but not today. Okay, WhataBurger is last. 4th place is Sonic. 3rd place, McDonald's. 2nd place, Five Guys. 1st place, Wendy's. Yeah.
I only have a top 2 spot list. McDonald's, WhataBurger, and Sonic French fries, drag it to the trash can. Whoop!
You don't know.
Dump it out from the desktop, right? So my top 2, I did enjoy Wendy's better than Five Guys. So 1 is Wendy's, 2nd one's Five Guys, and all the rest can kiss my little ass. Sonic Burger, I don't know.
It's a monster.
We finished cleaning up our studio. It's clean again. I feel like my body is a bigger mess right now. They have to deal with all that crap I just ate.
Yeah.
So how you feeling, babe?
I'm pretty full. Very
Ooh.
salty in my mouth.
Like you feel it on the on your throat, right? Fries, burgers, everything just fat and salt. And yeah, I feel it on my throat too. I don't know how you guys fix that. Take a shot or what? Your burger winner is what?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Mine was WhataBurger. What a burger. What about your French fries? Number one French fries.
Wendy's.
Wendy's. Five Guys, it's good.
No, I feel like honestly, like today, I always route for those fries. I never say no, but today it was like disappointing.
Sonic, we're never going back.
Oh, but for the onion rings.
Except for onion rings.
Oh,
Those
shit.
were good.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked the video.